Hello and welcome to the channel. It's time to do another project. I'm going to do another horse. I have lots of horses around the house. I don't have any horses except for these horses. What do we got here? There's that horse. That's a cat. That's not a horse. Let's see here. What else? Got this horse. Okay. So, another horse because they're easy and I like them. Okay. As you can see, I've got my stencil all built, all ready. I have my board already colored. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to scratch in all these white spots, all these straps. I suppose I could paint them, especially the straps. The white, straight white on black does not look good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scratch it off and see what it looks like. If I don't like it, I will adjust. So I'm going to get most of these straps and stuff in place. Let's try this one. Don't like that. Let's try this. Thought you might want to see this in real time. So yeah, I'm using this tiny little brush to make just the tiniest little strokes here. Gotta pay attention to direction. If you don't, it won't look right. Heck, I don't even know if this is looking right. I really won't know until I get the whole thing stripped of the paper. It's always a crapshoot every time you put your brush in the paint. You never know how much paint is going to be coming off. It's kind of worrisome, really. All right, I found my favorite brush Don't ask me why that's my favorite. It just is. There's probably a 14.5% chance that this would have looked better if I this. There's a 14.5% chance that this would look better. Would have probably looked better if I had used this brush rather than, I don't even know where that brush went. This. Oh, by the way, this is a what do you call that? A basting brush? My wife didn't like it, so I pulled it out of the kitchen and repurposed it in the art room. Yeah, that's how I roll. All right, I think we're gonna call this one a win. Um, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. For some reason, it's pretty hard. So anyway, if you like this content, please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting another one next week. Talk to you later.